So now that you've got your agarose solution prepared, you're going to pour the gel, and what you need for that is an electrophoresis chamber. As you can see, they come in different sizes, so what you first have to do is determine which size you're going to use to pour the gel, a larger or a smaller one. I'm going to focus on using the larger electrophoresis chamber, and what I'm first going to do is to show you the parts of the electrophoresis box and what you need to pour the gel. One component you need is called a comb. A comb allows you to make slots in the gel so you can load your sample into the gel. There's different size combs that have different numbers of that make different numbers of slots in the gel and also allow you to load different amounts of the sample. So the first thing you have to do is determine how much sample you have and how many samples you have. Okay, the next component you need is a gel casting tray, and it's a casting tray to which you'll pour the gel into. Now, as you can see, this casting tray is open on either end, so you need to have a way to seal both ends of the casting tray. Now, in this casting tray, there's actually rubber gaskets on either end. You may be able to see it. There's this orange gasket. And this tray is easy to seal because all you do is to turn the tray and place it into the chamber so that the gaskets actually seal against the side of the gel chamber, like so. Now you can pour your gel into the casting tray without it leaking out either side. For some gel boxes, like this one, the casting tray doesn't have gaskets on the end, so for these types of trays you'll have to use tape in order to seal the ends. To seal the ends of the casting tray, just use plain masking tape. So first, tear off a piece of masking tape that's long enough to cover the ends of the casting tray, and then place the masking tape over one end of the casting tray. When you place the tape on the end of the casting tray, make sure that you leave an overhang at the bottom of the casting tray, and also make sure the tape's tightly sealed against the tray. The next thing you do is to take the overhang on either side of the tray and press them tightly against the bottom of the tray. Then make sure the seal at the top of the tray, on the side of the tray, is tight by running your thumb back and forth. Now, to make sure that the hinge at the bottom is tight against the tray, take your thumb and run it back and forth against the corner of the tray, and then press the hinge against the bottom of the tray to make the final seal. Repeat this procedure for the other end of the casting tray, and this will be what the final sealed casting tray will look like. Now you're ready to pour the gel into the casting tray.